Sagutin natin tong tanong ni Nature Lover 1998. Ma'am, when to use naman po food and foods? Ay, both of them are correct actually. The terms food and foods are used differently lang depending on the context. Ang key points lang ganito. Si food ginagamit when talking about it in a general sense or as uncountable noun. So, the food at the party was delicious. Or, he loves Italian food. Ang foods naman, ginagamit when you want to emphasize different kinds or categories of food, treating it as a countable noun. So, let's see. Allergic reactions can be caused by certain foods, like nuts or shellfish. So both of them are actually correct. Nagkataon lang that very common para sa atin ang word na food to the point that we thought the word foods is actually wrong, but it's not. Pero ako, para easier na lang,